Good morning, Vanchians. Another beautiful day has begun as we continue our pursuit of achieving Type 1 status. Today, I want to talk about something fundamental: continuous maintenance and improvement. 2. Beyond policy creation, the importance of upkeep. Introducing a policy is not enough. Every system and infrastructure we build requires continuous upkeep, consistent monitoring, dedicated operational resources. This is where OPEX, operational expenditure, becomes critical. From the very beginning of planning any policy, we must account for the cost of sustaining it, the effort required to keep it functional. 3. Measuring viability through Vanchi stats. In Vanchi stats, I review not just outcomes, but also idea-wise balance sheets. The key question we ask for every system is it financially viable? Specifically, does it generate enough income to justify its operational expenses? If not, it must evolve. 4. Citizen app, the financial backbone. The Citizen app contains all policies, all projects, all organizations, all infrastructure in Vanchi. Each entity must be financially self-sustaining. Citizens participate by investing their excess money, purchasing stakes in these entities. Every entity has a live balance sheet showing assets, liabilities, income, expenses. The objective is simple: always remain in the green. 5. Unified digital ecosystem of Vanchi. In Vanchi, everything is digitally managed. All apps, such as Citizen, Community, Finance, Routine, Vote, are not separate systems, but modules of a unified software ecosystem. This ecosystem runs on Vanchi City Intranet, uses cloud computing, stores data in underground, geothermal-powered data centers. 6. Personalized digital dashboards. Citizens can use their devices as a shopping basket, a personal dashboard. They can select and display aspects of life or city, fully customize their interface. Using this system, digital management interfaces can be created for any entity. 7. Example: Mayor's Office Dashboard. Take the Mayor's Office as an example. Its management dashboard includes flow map of the office, live 3D spatial render of the environment, real-time infrastructure health and AP scores, contextual identification of all equipment. Financial section includes assets, liabilities, income, expenses, all tracked live and broken down into components. Human resource section includes employee names, designations, working hours, individual AP scores. 8. Personal data interfaces. Just as institutions have dashboards, every citizen should maintain one. A personal dashboard may include personal data, professional data, educational data, everything you need, accessible in one place. 9. Augmented perception and AI interaction. I personally view Vanchi through a data-driven lens. My smart glasses display contextual information about whatever I observe. The latest version detects my facial micro-expressions, uses surveillance data and onboard sensors, maps facial movements precisely. This allows Navita, our AI, to interpret my thoughts, understand intent without spoken words. I can hold silent conversations with Navita simply by thinking about what I see. To avoid misinterpretation, I use the glasses only when needed. Like reading glasses, this ensures not disturbing the surroundings. Maximum cognitive efficiency. 10. The psychology of maintenance. Maintenance is not just a task, it is a mindset. Some people naturally value it, others do not. However, there is a challenge. Maintenance is necessary, but excessive obsession can become toxic. 11. The right approach to upkeep. The correct approach is to enjoy the act of maintaining. Do not rush maintenance as a chore. Instead, treat it as a meaningful process. Appreciate the journey, not just the outcome. Maintenance requires not just financial allocation, but time investment. 12. Making maintenance enjoyable. Cleanliness and orderliness are not just values, they are activities to enjoy. To encourage this, we organize events like cleaning parties. The goal is not speed, but doing the task properly, enjoying the process. 13. Role of locality hygiene officers. Each locality has designated hygiene officers responsible for monitoring cleanliness, maintaining standards, performing cleaning and repair tasks. If a task is beyond their capacity, a job request is raised. Citizens can volunteer and earn money. 14. Citizen-led maintenance system. Citizens can also recommend tasks, identify areas needing improvement. Using the camera app's inspect mode, issues are detected in real time. An interactive system appears. A digital creature identifies the problem, moves within augmented reality, explains the issue, interacts with the user. Different creatures represent different types of problems. 15. Gamifying responsibility. This system is not just for children. Adults are also encouraged to enjoy these interactions. Engage with maintenance playfully. This transforms responsibility into engagement. 16. Balancing productivity and enjoyment. Achieving Type 1 status does not mean living a rigid, serious life. Instead, as automation increases and robots handle repetitive tasks, humans must enjoy innovation, spend time in creative and playful activities. We move toward a culture of kidulting, where productivity and play coexist. 17. Designing for participation. Maintenance tasks are simplified by design, categorized by experience level. This ensures everyone can participate. No one feels overwhelmed. 18. Redefining expertise. In Vanchi, expertise is not defined by certification. It is defined by experience. If someone lacks confidence, they can request guidance. Experts nearby can assist. 19. Value of community service. Community service is not just about earning money, contributing socially. It is also about skill development, personal growth. 20. Philosophy. Breaking and fixing. Let me repeat something important. There is nothing wrong with breaking things. What matters is our willingness to fix them. 21. A culture of collective responsibility. As I walk through Vanchi, I see people from different backgrounds working together, solving problems as if they are their own. Sometimes, I join them anonymously. 22. The joy of participation. There is a unique joy in fixing a problem without the burden of responsibility. It is an experience everyone should have, at least once every day. 23. Closing thought. The joy of maintenance is a mindset we must consciously develop. Once we achieve that, Vanchi's progress will become unstoppable. 24. Closing. Good night.